Hi guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free critique of your store 32:1. And I really like the homepage above the fold because you show the part of your design. I think the key for you would be to show really the design on the back of the t-shirt, and it feels like this particular text covers it. So either changing the design or moving the text to a different part of the image could work better for you. I know that this particular theme is not very flexible when it comes to changing or moving the text. So either picking a different image that will show you that will show your design in this part of the frame would definitely be beneficial, because at the moment you just lose the key element of this image that would help you boost your conversion rate. Apart from that, I really like the top navigation is very user friendly. So link to your shop, categories, your story, contact us are all here. So all trust signals are here, which is perfect. Mountain hoodie, I feel that your images are sort of lost within the page because I can barely see what is on this hoodie. So making sure that the product images on the collection page, on the home page, are a little bit more prominent will help people feel connected with your products and see the designs without the need to click on the product. Okay, so you've got extra collections here. You've got the same image here and the same here. So using different image can definitely give you a variety like this. Um, Adding call to action button to link into a other part of your website can also help you boost your conversion rate and your store navigation. If you don't have obviously link to this collection because this is new designs coming soon, you can use it to promote a different part of your store. For example, tell about your free shipping offer and then link to the shipping page, or tell about yourself, because I saw on about us page you've got great introduction to your team, and it really builds trust, it really builds your authority within this niche. So that's really key to connect with your target customers who want to know that they buy from, not from some random store that sells also cosmetics on other platform, but but they want to see that they buy from someone who's actually passionate just as them. So having a photo of your team here and linking to your about us page builds this trust, builds this rapport, which is a huge part of online conversion rate or online conversion rate optimization. Okay, so we've got sizing page here. So this is really helpful. So this is great. So we can measure obviously how the t-shirt will fit them. So that's really helpful. Perfect. So you've got returns policy. Okay, that's good. And I'm not sure if you've got shipping policy. If you haven't got shipping policy, I do recommend adding it, because many people are looking for delivery rates before placing an order. So if they cannot find the delivery rates, they might hesitate with proceeding with the order. They don't want to be surprised with a last minute delivery rate at the checkout, at the last stage of checkout. So being transparent in that area can also help you boost your conversion rate. I've already mentioned the product images. I would encourage you to have a collection layout with only three items per row instead of 5, because this way the products will be stretched out across the whole width of the page, meaning the images will have much more space and will be more prominent. The designs on each image will be easier to see. If, for example, from the collection page, it's really difficult for me to see what is exactly is in this image or this image or this image. So having them very clear to see from the collection page will help your visitors decide which one they would like to click instead of doing all the hard work themselves. So make it easy to delight your customers can definitely help you boost your sales, boost your conversion rate. Also grow your collection. I know that you have obviously custom design products, so it's a little bit difficult because you're not drop shipping, but growing your collections can help you further. Also, your I would encourage you to show someone in your design at a full, I mean, with a full face, looking into the camera. People do engage with this kind of photos much more. They're much more likely to buy if they see someone wearing a t-shirt looking into the camera. They can see their face. They automatically feel more engaged with that garment, are more likely to click it, are more likely to buy it as well. At the moment, it feels like faceless. It feels like there's absolutely no connection, no engagement. So growing this kind of engagement, grow this kind of report can also help you boost your conversion rate a little bit further. Okay, so you've got contact us here, submit button, everything is in place, which is great. I'm going to check your SEO right now. Okay, so your SEO score is 51 out of 100, so it's not bad, especially that your website is brand new. I would add a little bit more details to your meta title. So this is a Google snippet. Your meta description is not defined yet, so I would add a short description to your meta title, such as 32 to 1 designs, such as dirt bike clothing. So people know right away your niche. And then this is I mean, this is really good start because this is very personal and builds your authority, builds your trust. However, I would add a little bit more commercial value to that. Really think from your customer's perspective as to what would prompt them to buy, to click your listing, um, to ignite this kind of curiosity, what makes you stand out from other brands that sell similar gear or target the same audience. So think about your unique selling point. Obviously, the fact that you do it yourself is good. So this is a good trust signal. So I'm glad that you are highlighting it, but adding certain other benefits, such as this free shipping, unique designs, obviously fast delivery, because you're not a drop shipping, is very strong selling point. And obviously, because you do it yourselves, people can contact you if they've got any questions. They can contact you asking for the advice when it comes to the gear they want to pick. So obviously this is very strong selling point. So focusing on this going forward can definitely help you um, engage with your target audience and boost sales. So make sure to focus on these with every single message you put out there. Okay, you've got missing H1 tag, so make sure to add these. These are the most vital for Google, and obviously use the tags in the right order, such as H1, H2, H3, H4, and so on. And make sure they are more defined when it comes to keywords, because this is the best way um, to get ranked in the right search results. This is again the same. Make sure to rank for words such as dirt, bike, clothing, and similar. But I'm glad that your main keywords are hoodies, tees, hats, but they are still very general words to rank for. So make sure to rank for more specific or niche specific keywords as well. Okay, going further, these are covered. So keyword consistency, I mentioned. Amount of content. So amount of written content is also important. This is such a great niche for you because you know a lot about this niche. You do the dirt biking yourself. So having content such as blog posts, reviewing, the latest, I don't know, tracks or something like that can definitely help you get traffic from your target audience, put more content, written content on your website, which is important for Google, and also build trust. So make sure to keep blogging regularly, create videos that you can upload to YouTube and also feature on your website as well. So videos are great because they keep visitor on your website for longer, which counts as the dwell time important for SEO. So incorporating this, your niche is perfect for that, will help you boost your SEO further. When it comes to image alt tags, make sure to define alt tags for each image you add. Friendly URL. So this is something that you can focus on now because you're just starting out. So you won't have many, you don't have many backlinks yet. So you can work on your URLs at this stage. So make sure they are shorter, they've got target keywords, and they are very easy to read, because if they're like, they've got 10 different elements or 10 different words in the URL, it's difficult for Google to read them and obviously rank them. You've got analytics connected, sitemap present, which is fantastic as well. And your website is mobile friendly, so that's good. So I hope you found this critique useful, and if you've got any questions about anything else discussed during the critique, please feel free to let me know. If you wanted to discuss anything further in detail, such as your SEO, blogging, videos, and so on, please also feel free to message me and I'll be happy to help. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.